Pay-per-click or PPC advertising is a cornerstone in digital marketing, offering immediate visibility and high-quality leads. PPC ads target specific keywords and demographics, maximizing ROI. For small and medium-sized enterprises, PPC levels the playing field against larger companies. PPC campaigns can be adjusted in real time based on performance data. This flexibility ensures every dollar spent works towards achieving marketing goals. Whether you're a startup or an established company, PPC can drive significant growth. With the right strategy, PPC helps businesses achieve their objectives efficiently. PPC ads are a cost-effective way to drive traffic, appearing in various formats on different platforms. Google Ads is the most common, with ads at the top of search results. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer personalized advertising experiences. Display networks expand reach, while video ads on platforms like YouTube capture attention dynamically. Ad placement is determined through an auction process, ensuring users see the most relevant ads. PPC effectiveness hinges on an auction-based system triggered by user searches. Advertisers bid on keywords, but winning isn't just about the highest bid. Quality score matters. Keywords trigger ads in search results, requiring thorough research to align with audience intent. Bidding involves setting a maximum amount for each click, influenced by competition and quality score. Quality score measures ad relevance and user experience, affecting ad position and cost per click. High-quality scores lower CPC and improve ad visibility. Factors include ad copy relevance, expected click-through rate, and landing page experience. Optimizing these areas enhances PPC campaign performance and cost efficiency. Setting up a PPC campaign involves strategic steps for success. Choose the right platform based on your target audience and goals. Set clear, achievable goals to guide your campaign. Conduct thorough keyword research to align with audience intent. Create compelling ads with engaging visuals. Set a budget and bidding strategy that aligns with your goals. Launch your campaign and monitor its performance. Regular analysis and optimization are key to maintaining effectiveness. Optimizing PPC ads ensures the best return on investment. Regularly review and refine your keyword list. Write compelling ad copy with a strong call to action. Use ad extensions for additional information and visibility. Test different ad variations to find the most effective combination. Monitor performance closely and make data-driven adjustments. Avoid common PPC campaign mistakes for better success. Set clear, measurable goals to guide your campaign. Conduct thorough keyword research to avoid irrelevant terms. Ensure ad copy is well written and engaging. Set a proper budget and bidding strategy based on performance data. Regularly review metrics and optimize your campaign. PPC advertising offers a powerful way to reach your target audience. Follow the steps outlined and avoid common mistakes for effective campaigns. Continuous learning and optimization are key to success. Start your PPC campaigns today and grow your business. Good luck.